In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your ClickUp referral link. So if you like to share your referral link to friends and family so that they can use your link to join ClickUp or to sign up to ClickUp, it is pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your ClickUp account. And once you are in your workspace, head over to your workspace here and click on settings. Now from settings, scroll down until you get your account name, and you can see here you have referrals. Go ahead and click on it, and this will go ahead and show or display your referral link here. You are told share with your colleagues and friends to give them 10% off. So anyone who uses your link will get a 10% off when they make a purchase with ClickUp. Go ahead and click on copy shareable link, and once you are done, you can see the link has successfully been copied. Now, if you go ahead and share with anyone, they'll be able to use that link, and you can see this is a promo link, and they'll be able to sign up and get a 10% off when they use your referral link. So that's how you can find and share your referral link in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.